Hi, welcome to Gardening with Granny. And today it is snowing. We've had some beautiful autumn weather and it's November 17th and it's high time we got some snow. You can see in the background that the bushes are getting their fair share of the snow. And the other day I actually went to where I did some fall gardening and planted some lettuce and radishes, and I actually harvested some lettuce and radishes for a salad. So that was only 2 days ago. So I'm on my way to check and see what's happening in the garden. Of course I covered it, but we will see if it was able to handle the snow. Well, doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look like it got frozen, even though we went down to the high 20s last night. I think I will pick it, call it a season.